There's a gap between the world students navigate outside of school and the one they experience inside. In school, they read approved textbooks and carefully selected materials. Outside, well, they're scrolling through a flood of unfiltered information, half-truths, conspiracy theories, and viral slop. So how do we bridge this divide? We can start by bringing the digital world into the classroom, not to replace the curriculum, but to make it better. Consider a core topic in the history curriculum, the Civil War. Online, students may run across spurious claims about a place called the Devil's Punch Bowl in Natchez, Mississippi, and videos claiming that Union soldiers forced thousands of previously enslaved people into concentration camps where 20,000 supposedly perished. Opening a new tab and investigating the claim reveals its origins. The source? A local news segment called Mystery Monday, featuring ghostly music, fog effects, and a so-called researcher, who is the source of these claims about the Devil's Punch Bowl. This researcher isn't a historian at all. She runs a paranormal investigation group. Her historical evidence? Ghosts. Weaving activities like this into history classes can promote digital literacy. In just a few minutes, students practice essential skills to discern fact from fiction. You don't need to overhaul your curriculum. Just carve out time for short moments of content-aligned instruction like this. Because preparing students for informed citizenship means helping them think critically, in school and out. We can do this, and our students are ready.